오랜 내전으로 혼란과 폭력이 가득한 국가 콩고, 짐 테리어는 민간 보안업체 요원의 신분을 가지고 있었지만 사실 비밀 작전팀의 전문 암살자였고, 그는 이곳에서 의료 구호 활동가로 일하고 있는 애니를 만났습니다.
Don't you have to go to work too?
I think I got a couple of hours.
You guys here to work for us, to protect us.
This guy's on the clinic tonight. You'll be sick.
애니는 그가 암살자라는 사실을 모르고 있었고,
How we doing on the perimeter fence check? Over.
Crazy hot out here tonight.
Action at the gate. Sit rep.
Felix and Cox jabbering. What do you figure that's all about?
I got a feeling we're going operational.
그날 밤 한 작전에 투입되는 짐.
Drop that, Jimmy. This is Operation Calvary, positioned here in the third floor apartment.
B7 armored white Toyota Land Cruiser, giving us 3 to 5 second window of opportunity.
Give the green light when he confirms the target. And Felix will also designate. And the shooter only is into the wind. That's how Felix wants it. Don't let the target escape the X.
만약 짐이 지목된다면 사격 후 아프리카를 떠나야 했는데, 애니가 이곳에 있기에 내심 지목되지 않기를 바랬지만
Sierra 3, copy.
You are the designated trigger, Jim.
I had a feeling. Roger that. Look out for it for me, Lee.
I will take care of Annie. You have my word.
Calvary is confirmed.
Speed 30 miles per hour, rear right passenger. Go on down. Lift off. Lift off.
완벽하게 작전을 성공했지만 그의 마음은 편하지가 않았습니다.
See you later, Annie.
Assassination of the Minister of Mining.
The country clashes between government forces and even further into chaos.
광업부 장관 암살 이후 짐은 팀을 떠났고, 그는 NGO에 가입해 봉사하며 지난날을 속죄하며 살고 있었습니다.
So he can now finish setting up.
Forgive the liberty. Eugene's my chain man, as you were. No later than.
어느새 이곳 콩고의 사람들과 깊은 연을 가지게 되었고, 솔선수범하며 이곳에서 최선을 다하고 있었습니다. 그때 무장을 한 남성들이 나타났고,
Arrêtez! Arrêtez! Je mon chat! Avalez-moi là!
Listen to me. You did the right thing. To lock down all projects in all areas. Go to emergency evac plan for the...
I was taken to Kinshasa, Mr.
No. I got a lot of respect for you, young man.
짐은 빠르게 이곳을 떠났고, 순간 그는 극심한 두통을 느꼈습니다.
Sierra 3, copy.
Don't let the target escape the X.
그는 이번 사건이 8년 전 갈보리 작전과 연관이 있음을 직감했고,
Calvary is a go.
런던으로 넘어와 정보를 모으기 시작합니다. 이어 전에 같은 팀이었던 콕스를 찾았고,
Want a drink?
No.
Boy, these are nice digs.
Went from killer to cashier. Don't tell anyone.
Terry, who all knew about Project Cap? Yesterday, 3 Indigs came after me, specifically after...
That's not good. Clients knew, of course, but who they were, I don't know. I mean, Felix Marti was the only civilian who knew about it. The last I heard, he was back in Barcelona.
You keep your eyes open, because they could be coming after you too.
그런데 런던에도 벌써 적들이 따라붙었고,
Terrier just walked out of the company's building. Crossing the street now.
He's heading for subway.
Stay with him.
Negative. Stand down.
그가 향한 곳은 또 다른 동료 스탠리가 있는 곳이었죠.
What's going on?
3 pipe hitters just tried to take me down in Congo. It wasn't regular army, Stanley. It wasn't rebels. It wasn't like somebody wanted 50 cc's of me for proof of killing down. He wants me dead before they find me again.
Who's offering jobs in Congo? Who's asking questions about?
I want to go to Barcelona and get to Felix. Maybe he knows.
I'm just beginning to enjoy my buffet.
그런데 이번에도 또다시 두통을 느끼게 되고,
Jim?
Jim, my head.
Mr. Terrier. Memory? Any significant head trauma? You spent a lot of time near loud concussive blasts?
생각보다 그의 건강 상태는 좋지 않았습니다.
Essentially toxic to your brain, and it's quite significant. What this tells me is you're suffering from post-concussion. This can lead to memory loss, chronic depression. For the condition itself, unfortunately, there's any more stresses like this. and that is going to get worse.
하지만 짐은 조사를 멈출 생각이 없었죠.
I'm going to Barcelona with or without your help, Stan.
You didn't listen to what the doc said, did you? But I don't want to see you dead in the gut with a bullet in the back of your fucking head.
Fuck, I gotta go, Stan. I got to go.
스탠리는 그의 고집을 꺾을 수가 없었고
I'll call you in the morning.
다음날 스탠리의 도움을 받아 바르셀로나로 넘어온 짐.
I'll fly out after you in case you need some backup.
스탠리 덕에 숙소와 무기 등 필요한 것들을 얻었고 드디어 펠릭스의 위치를 찾아냅니다. 그런데 그의 곁에는 애니도 함께 있었고 8년 만에 다시 보게 된 그녀. 하지만 지금은 더 급한 일이 있었습니다.
Sí, ¿por qué combinar los negocios y la filantropía?
We must combine and target our efforts.
Once the hit occurs, the shooter and the shooter only.
짐은 펠릭스가 의심스러울 수밖에 없었고
What we really need here
It's money.
펠릭스 또한 짐을 발견하게 되죠.
You're in Spain.
And you're in a swanky suit.
Someone tried to kill me 3 days ago in Congo. I was working for an NGO. Not all of us want to turn our sin into profit.
I believe you're here because you think Annie will leave me to be with you. She is a remarkable woman, Jen. Remarkable. She's my wife, and she will remain so. I'm running my own place here now. It never happened.
That's the way you want to play it, Felix?
I'll go to some of my stateside sources. Join Annie and I for dinner tonight. I'm sure she'll love to see you. Jen, welcome.
You didn't tell her.
What are you doing here?
Why is everyone so tense? Sit down.
You're humiliating me.
No, the way you stared at him humiliates.
결국 식사 자리는 난장판이 되었고
Proud of yourself?
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry.
It's easy to say now, isn't it, James?
애니는 말없이 떠난 짐에게 매우 화가 나 있는 듯 보였습니다. 그런데 그날 밤
Helping out, following your lead.
You come here and you want to talk about 8 years ago.
I came back here because somebody's trying to kill me.
And what was that, Jim? You never told me about what you did then.
I had to leave. I had no choice. What are you seeing here?
If a firefighter saves you from... He did everything he could to protect. Try to pay the debt with marriage. Felix asked me to come. I think the information he has for you is important. Join us for lunch. Tomorrow at 2.
Let's get inside. Something going on in connection with what we did back there. Has more information than just your memory, right, Jim? Diary of the horror we created.
I'm going to get a shower.
You asked me here to give me some information, so give me the fucking...
Are on a congressional subpoena list.
See, Cox is on the list. What about Reed and Bryson?
Of the 3 shooters, you're the only one left.
작전에 참여했던 동료들이 하나둘씩 제거되고 있었고 잠시 후 이곳에도 적들이 들이닥쳤습니다.
Eddie, he's got it. There's nothing you can do for him.
Bravo, Team Solida. We're moving in.
Come on, come on!
죽은 적의 방탄조끼와 도청기를 챙겼고
Main floor is clear. Trapped in the bathroom. Copy that. I'm heading to the roof.
We just want you, not her.
Who sent you? Who do you work for?
전문 킬러답게 뛰어난 실력으로 돌파구를 만들어냈고 완벽히 탈출하는 데 성공합니다.
We need to change cars. They'll be all over us.
It belongs to a farmer, a friend of Felix. Who are these people? What's going on, Jim? Tell me, Jim. Please.
결국 애니에게 상황을 설명하는 짐.
We did some bad things.
Tell me.
We weren't just laying an airfield and doing protection for an NG. We were supplying arms to the rebels. Training. It should have been a clean contract. It was me. I'm the one that killed the mining minister. Dictated that the shooter leave the continent, so I left the continent. So trapped. Annie, I thought about you. I couldn't face you after that.
What about now?
And then we'll go someplace where I can hide you.
먼저 숙소에 있는 짐들이 필요했고
Okay, slide over. Can you drive in circles? Okay. If you don't hear from me in 15 minutes, go.
적에게 들키지 않기 위해 전에 알아둔 경로로 접근하는데 예상대로 이미 적들은 이곳에서 그를 기다리고 있었죠. 적들을 꿰어내기 위해 미끼를 던졌고 제대로 함정에 걸려들고만 적들.
Drive. I have a friend who's gonna help us.
그렇게 한참을 달려 도착한 곳은 바로 스탠리가 있는 곳이었습니다.
It's Stanley.
Well, is Mungie and Vino in there? You're lucky I got lots of friends in Spain. Here's what I found. Called Aquila Court. It's managed by your friend, Cox.
알고 보니 이 모든 배후에 콕스가 있었고 그는 더러웠던 과거를 완전히 청산하기 위해 동료들을 하나하나 제거하고 있던 것이었죠.
I got you a clean car, Jim. You alright?
Go to the police and get yourself out of Dodge if shit goes down. You haven't heard?
You called me, right?
Yeah.
최후의 결전을 준비 중이던 짐 앞에 나타난 한 남자.
Need a light? I think I might have one with you. You a tourist?
Something like that.
Got some heavy shit going on up there today. Surprise visit from Interpol. I think a smart bloke like you thinks so too. Here's what I'm gonna do. Let me know. Get my drift, cowboy.
인터폴 소속의 제키는 그를 말렸지만 짐은 멈출 생각이 없었습니다.
Get Mr. Cox and following us. We'll meet him at the Oceana Aquarium.
잠시 후 콕스를 만날 수 있었고
It's good to see you, Jim. I understand it's been a rough couple of days. Like the past has got us by the short hairs.
Welcome.
Terry Cox, my goodness. I did this. Our kids play together.
콕스가 판 함정은 금방 짐에게 들키고 말았죠.
You set me up! Forgotten we trained together?
Ruth?
I didn't want to do this kind of shit anymore!
Ruth, all right, let's move. They can't be very far.
I did everything I could after Calvary. With Reed and Bryson in the ground, I could see the company's perspective.
You were the team leader, Terry. Why just Bryson Reed and me?
I think the company values my consistency. What does humanity pay a well-intentioned well digger?
Do you ever think about, do you ever reflect on what we do?
Still living the dream, huh? Did you think you'd find peace? Be in peace. Don't slip now. We're war fighters, mate. We've served a grander purpose, haven't we? You don't look well, Jim. Die like a soldier. Make the ultimate sacrifice. What you got there, Jim?
Those are the tail numbers. I also kept things on Project Cavalry.
Some wazoo shit like that. And then you wouldn't be able to ride off into the night. Don't know what happened to your little lady friend. Wild dogs. Wild dogs. Ah! You kill me, the job will still get done.
You okay?
Just fucking get it!
도망치는 데 성공했으나 두통이 그를 괴롭혔고 차마 메시지를 전송하지 못하고 쓰러져 버리고 말았습니다. 한참의 시간이 흘러서야 깨어난 짐.
Jim Terrier, I was expecting your call. Come on, mate, spit it out. Man hasn't said a word. Not a thing. That's loyalty for you.
Stan.
Kill this bastard.
What do you want to talk to next? You want to talk to your girlfriend?
Annie, can you hear me? Annie, talk to me, Annie. Are you okay?
Here it is, Jim. You come back here. I'll give you Annie.
Take a look at your phone. I'm gonna send you something, okay?
Advantage. Drop cards are adjusted to Kinshasa.
짐은 8년 전 임무 준비 중 찍어둔 영상을 꺼내들었고
You're gonna meet me in a public place and you're gonna bring her.
Where at?
이들의 접선 장소는 사람이 많은 투우장이었습니다.
Anything?
I have what you want.
Bring it here. The girl will.
No, send her out now.
I got it. Just opposite from here. He's walking out. Heading downstairs. Should intercept him in the gallery. I'm right behind him, heading towards the stalls.
He's heading to the corral.
Stay with the target. Shoot him on sight.
부하 둘을 처리했지만 두통이 더 심해진 짐. 콕스는 애니를 데리고 장소를 옮기는데 틈을 노려 애니가 도주를 시도했고 그 시각 짐은 콕스의 최고 암살자와 마주하게 되죠.
Annie! Don't move! Don't move, Annie!
Give me the documents, Jim, or I kill her. Jim?
Here.
Jim!
Hurry, Annie.
결국 콕스는 비참한 최후를 맞이하게 되고 이어 인터폴이 짐을 체포합니다.
Where's Annie?
You have to assure me that nothing will happen to her.
We know she wasn't involved. She'll be okay. We have some information, material that we need. You want to tell us what it is?
Names, dates, video files. I'll cooperate. I'll explain everything we did.
No doubt it's going to help you in court. But after what you've done, you're going to serve time.
짐으로 인해 회사의 약행이 세상에 알려지게 되고
Congo's Minister of Mining 8 years ago.
짐은 자신의 과거의 책임을 지기 위해 실형을 살게 됩니다. 그로부터 수많은 시간이 흘렀고 둘이 다시 재회하는 걸 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다.